Hi! In front of me is MEIZU M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration features on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Sound and Vibration over here, and scroll down again. Then click on the switcher next to Vibrate when ringing. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Now you need to scroll down, select Home button feedback over here, and now you can enable or disable vibrations on touch by clicking on Off over here and picking one of those options to change intensity of it. I will go with medium and go back. Now select System Sounds and Vibration, and over here scroll all the way down. Now you can enable or disable haptic feedback by clicking on the switcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!